Understanding the annual review in the workplace. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in professional settings: annual review. This term is often used in workplaces around the world, and understanding its meaning and implications is crucial for both employees and managers. Let's dive into what an annual review is and why it's important. An annual review is a regular evaluation conducted by an employer to assess an employee's job performance over the past year. It's a time for reflection on achievements, challenges, and areas for growth. During this review, both the employee and the employer discuss job performance, how well the employee has met or exceeded their job responsibilities, goals and objectives, whether the previously set goals were achieved, and setting new goals for the coming year. Feedback. Constructive criticism and positive feedback are given to guide the employee's future performance. Development. Discussions about career progression, training, and development opportunities. The annual review is not just a formality. It holds significant importance for both the employee and the employer. For employees, it provides recognition of hard work, acknowledging achievements and milestones, guidance for career growth, insights into areas for improvement and development, opportunity for promotion or raise. Based on performance, employees might be considered for advancement. For employers, it helps in evaluating staff performance, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of the team, strategic planning, aligning employee goals with organizational objectives, identifying training needs, ensuring staff has the skills needed for their roles. Preparing for an annual review is crucial. Here are some tips. Reflect on your year. Think about your successes, challenges, and what you've learned. Set goals. Consider what you want to achieve in the next year. Gather feedback. If possible, collect feedback from colleagues to get a broader view of your performance. Prepare questions. Think of questions for your employer about your career path, training opportunities, or feedback. The annual review is a key component of professional growth and organizational success. It offers a structured way to reflect on the past year and plan for the future. We hope this video helps you understand and prepare for your next annual review. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your career journey.